I once saw a car drift all the way over the center line into the oncoming traffic lane. Suddenly, he jerked his car so hard to the right that it almost flipped. Texting and driving is deliberate and illegal, but the resulting drift was purely accidental. Drifting is always a result of neglect and always brings us in the wrong direction. I heard a story about two men aged 25 who each bought their first home. One man built a man cave in his basement where he put in a big screen TV and a couch so he could enjoy a beer with his sports and TV shows after work. The second man built a garden and spent his spare time gardening with his wife, where they listened to good podcasts that help him become better in all aspects of life. After 20 years, the first man still had the same job, but had gained 20 pounds and was divorced. The second man had been consistently promoted and had an exciting job with lots of responsibility. He was in great physical shape and had a thriving family life. It was almost as if one guy kept his eye on the road to a good life, while the other guy slowly drifted away from center. What an incredible difference these men had in 20 short years. Can you imagine if these trajectories lasted for eternity?
We call it drifting, slip sliding away. The Bible even talks about drifting.
It says we must pay careful attention to the good news we have heard so we don't drift away.